Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside drill pump, the model PBP-P1, for transferring and pumping out water like hot tubs, water pads, garden ponds and more. Max rotation speed 2800 RPM, hose connection 13 mm, with max delivery rate 1300 liters per hour, with a 3 years warranty. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. We have screws if you want to mount it permanently anywhere, 2 screw holes. There's the pump, the inlet and the outlet. We can see the arrows here, how the water it goes. So you can connect that at any drill. Of course, the max rotation speed is 2800 RPM. For standard drills, 600 to 800 watt with round chuck, like this. So the only thing that you need to do is connect that here. Tie it very well. We need to connect the hose, inlet and outlet, and start the pumping process. The max dry run time it is 30 seconds. I can hear the pump. Okay, now let's bring the hose and connect at the inlet and outlet. Inlet. The hose is very secure. Yep. And at the outlet. At the outlet I have 4 meters of hose. Now here I have 10 liters of water and this empty bucket. So let's start. Oh yes. At the empty bucket we can see, and the grace is from the pump. The pump is working for the first time. Okay, I think it's finished. I like it. So it doesn't take no more than 1 minute for the 10 liters. That's amazing. And it's not so hot. I can feel the plastic. It is very cool. Of course it is cool because it's cooling down with the water. Water cooling the pump. With only 5 euros and your drill, any drill from any brand, Makita, DeWalt, Bosch, you name it, you can pump the water from any area. Just connect the hose, the drill and start. Very helpful tool, use it at the right time. So until my next video my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.